Generating a retirement portfolio that produces little to no tax bills requires a shift in focus from asset allocation, that is what you own, to asset location, where you hold it, and withdrawal sequencing, that is when you take it. For 2026, new regulations like the senior bonus deduction and updated Social Security taxation thresholds make strategic planning even more critical. Optimize your asset location. To keep your portfolio tax neutral, you must match the tax treatment of an investment with the right account type. Let's look at the different buckets where you can grow your investments to get the maximum tax advantage during your retirement years. Now, the tax-free bucket, which is mainly Roth IRA or HSA, place your highest growth assets here. Example, aggressive growth stocks or ETFs. Since these accounts grow tax-free and withdrawals are tax-free, you want your biggest winners in this bucket. Then comes your taxable bucket, which is your brokerage account. Hold tax-efficient investments like index funds or bonds in your brokerage account. These not only generate lower annual tax rate, but benefit from long-term capital gains rate, which is often 0%, 15%, or 20%, which are typically lower than your ordinary income rates. Tax-deferred bucket, like your traditional IRA or 401k, plays only those assets that generate heavy ordinary income, like taxable bonds or REITs here, to shield that income from annual taxes. However, remember that every dollar coming out of here later will be taxed as ordinary income. How do you manage your tax bracket? Let's look at it. The goal here is to stay within the 0% capital gains tax bracket. In 2026, if your income tax stays below a certain threshold, which is $49,000 for individuals or $98,000 for joint filers, your long-term capital gains and qualified dividends are taxed at 0%. If you have a low income year before your full retirement, convert portions of your traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. You pay tax now at a low rate so that all your future growth and withdrawals will be tax-free. The senior bonus deduction for 2026 is $6,000 for individual and $12,000 for joint. Take advantage of this to help keep your adjusted gross income lower, potentially keeping you under the threshold where Social Security becomes taxable. To avoid massive tax spike in your single year, don't just pull from one of these above buckets, but use a pro rata or a bucket approach. Use taxable brokerage accounts where you only pay for the gains and not on the principal, and it's often taxed at a lower tax rate than your normal income. Then use just enough from your traditional IRAs to fill your lowest income tax bracket, which is 10% or 12%. And then finally, use your money in your Roth account to bridge that gap for any extra spending, as Roth withdrawals do not count towards your combined income, meaning they won't trigger taxes on your Social Security benefits or increase your Medicare premiums. Now have a look at my detailed video where I have explained how to withdraw up to $80,000 with no tax. Qualified charitable distributions, or the QCDs, allow you to withdraw your money tax-free. If you are 70 and a half or older, you can send up to $105,000 directly from your IRA to a charity, and this counts towards your required minimum distribution but adds $0 to your taxable income. Similarly, health savings account, which offers you triple tax advantage, that is tax deductible going in, tax-free growth, and tax-free out. In retirement, this is effectively a tax-free fund for one of your largest expenses, which is your healthcare. You can also use tax loss harvesting, that is, use your losses in your brokerage account to offset up to $3,000 of ordinary income annually, further lowering your tax bill. Now, if you're currently holding more than 50% of your retirement savings in traditional, that is tax-deferred accounts like a 401k or a traditional IRA, then you might face the tax bomb later due to mandatory RMDs. It might be worth looking into a multi-year Roth conversion plan to balance your tax diversification. Thank you for watching.